If you are looking for best flushing toilet, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular TOTO Ultramax 2-head double Cyclone elongated one-piece toilet.
At TOTO, flushing technology is a serious science. Quality assurance is foremost. TOTO's series of performance tests are the most rigorous in the plumbing industry. TOTO tests and retests, using more than 10 evaluations in fact, to validate flushing technologies. To ensure reliable performance, TOTO's stringent testing standards imitate real-life scenarios. TOTO conducts many liquid tests, including one with 500 milliliters of dyed liquid, 150 milliliters more than in common bathroom breaks. TOTO understands that accurate testing must recreate normal conditions. This means a fully restored water level in the bowl, plus the waste you add. In test after test, TOTO's Ultramax 2 with double Cyclone technology removes all liquid waste every time, using only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's high efficiency plus performance. Yet a balanced high-efficiency toilet must clean the bowl and rim as well as flush media. A toilet paper test ensures complete bowl cleansing and paper removal, while the ink line test proves that the flush consistently and completely removes rim debris. TOTO's high-efficiency toilets perform the best because we have the best testing practices. TOTO is proud of our high-efficiency, high-performance 1.28 gallon per flush toilets and water conservation. And as consumers, you should accept no substitutes.
Product number 2, WoodBridge T0001, dual flush elongated one-piece toilet. Product number 3, American Standard Champion 4 right height one-piece elongated toilet. Product number 4, KOHLER Santa Rosa Comfort Height Elongated GPF Toilet.
Hi everyone, Mike Marbach here, and this is the Santa Rosa toilet from KOHLER. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous KOHLER models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. KOHLER comfort height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At KOHLER, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, KOHLER toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last for years to come.
Product number 5, Saniflo 023 SANICOMPACT 48 one-piece toilet. It is super easy to install, provides superior silent performance, and it is adjustable as well. For residential use, this toilet is outstanding. It is made with an excellent white finish and the materials are also long-lasting. However, it is on the other hand pretty stylish, and a durable chrome hinge is also included with the order. It is provide a fantastic look into any ordinary bathroom. Therefore the consumption rate is also very low, it uses only 1 gallon water in every flush. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.